the side as we explore nature's naughtiest animals. 6 naughty animals by nature.
The Lepus carpiens, aka the bunny rabbit, or the cutie, woody, cuddly, fluffy thing, is loved by all except the Westboro Baptist Church, but they're just fags. The bunny rabbit is also a supercharged sexual a supercharged athlete and lovable pet. The elephant seal looks like a large pile of jelly mashed up with a drunk and dire need of Viagra, with a flappy thing stuck up its ass. This Pokemon attracts females interested in procreation through a display of smacking their somewhat seemingly semi-erect trunks against each other. I guess whatever floats their boat. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. The Rhinoceridae, otherwise known as the Fatmus maximus unicorn, which compensates for its lack of wings by growing an extra horn. The Fatmus maximus unicorn inserts its tiny boner through the female. Because it is unable to see, the Rhinoceridae finds the female's opening by feel, much like trying to switch on the lights at black time, or when your non-existent girlfriend tries to jack you off. The Tasmanian Devil, or as I like to call them, dogs that nobody ever loved. Ever. As you will see, making love is a very difficult thing to do between these devils.
How you see works, since you didn't bring it to me first. I have lots of things to show you. If you're ready to learn,
now fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch.
Earwigs are the assholes of the insect kingdom. An earwig will snap his penis off inside a female to stop her from mating with anyone else. But a second penis equipped by the earwig lets him love again. Obviously, a broken heart hurts more than a broken penis. Penguins, aka the coolest motherfucking birds ever, are total badasses when it comes to getting laid. While their mates are out fishing, a female penguin will run a sophisticated prostitution business by having sex with other penguins for nest stone. Consequently, there are 2 types of people in this world: likers and subscribers. And whichever one you pick, you'll always be a virgin in my eyes.